Time to wrap it up for March 19th, 2015. We came in this morning pretty well knowing where resistance was. We thought that the market would search for support first. So we had 85, 87, and all the way down to 75, 77 for buy number 2. And a question mark at 80, 82. That was where support was when the market started out. So the first break was down to the 80, 82 level. Came back up, did get through the mean green line. Market did reverse. This is the first trade that's set up that worked for the trading target. This B right here also worked and didn't give you quite the 3 points. This S was wrong. This S right here gave you a scratch, make a little. Very, very choppy trading, but this one worked as advertised, and it gave you the retest failure right here. Got hard to see how you get more than a scratch. This S was a loser. This little quadruple top right there with that little tiny skinny bar. We saw that again yesterday. Tried to take it higher 4 times, couldn't. That little skinny bar. One more retest the high, then that gives you another good trade down to the top of our buy area, 75, 77. Chop, triple bottom, a winner as advertised, this S right here. So again, you've got maybe 4 trades that work as advertised today. So market is still very, very choppy. We're doing more volume today than we did through the FOMC announcement, but not a hell of a lot more. We were doing like right at 1 million contracts. So we're not generating a lot of volume, and my guess is that a lot of people have been burned a bunch in our sideline. So right now we've got ourselves an inside day. We did think we'd get a pause. We were going to look for where support might be. So the 75 area, 72 area, this breakout is looks like pretty good support, and 2100 looks like resistance. So inside day trading range. No news tomorrow to drive the trading out of the United States. They'll look elsewhere for news. Tends to yield a trading range market. Definitely leaning B in today's distribution. Pretty square, but leans a little bit B. So right now your 85, 87 was support. It's resistance. Then our 89, 91. For sell 2 on the buy side, 75, 77. And then our 70. Got this low volume number down here, 72 for buy 2. But we've had easier weeks to trade. Easier weeks to trade. Nothing's really changed. The economy is softening, and the stock market is held up by support for the market. Okay, higher low, higher high, but we did get up here and we reversed. So again, we got this breakout right here in this 27.28 that we talked about. I like that buy myself. So. Buying 28.29s, 27.29s, buying 28.01s looks like a pretty good trade. And then our 16 area, the 20 looks like a reasonable sell. Looking at the F2 screen, we have a double distribution down. Got a very, very clean break up here at 11.5. So 11, 6. 15, sell 1, 19, 23, sell 2. I do like this buy down here, so 29, 25 buy. And, God, I'd like, actually, we're going to make it 1 to 29. We're going to make it right here. And then a 25 to 21 for buy 2. And if we get some help from the E-mini tomorrow, if it actually sells, we might be able to get a little rally out of the note and the bond. Okay, I want to point up here, and I'm not trying to talk you out of trading the E-mini, but just look at the magnitude of these moves. And we do have some chop right here, but on a retest failure basis, you got pretty good trade location. Do have some chop up here, but on a retest failure or this S, you actually make a little bit of money. On this B, I have pretty poor trade location there, but this is a big contract, a retest failure, or this B right here. I'm just saying that if you're having trouble with the E-mini, and the E-mini is a tough contract to trade, I think most of the appeal in the E-mini is in the afternoon, that last hour of trading, why you should get good at it and consider it. But the bond is an unusually good contract to trade. 31.25 a tick. That bigger tick value tends to hold traders in their positions longer. So we're going to buy 29s to 01s, 21s to 25, same. Knob spread wide today, sell 15s to 19s, sell 23s to 27s. Gold, quiet today. I would have expected more out of gold today, but we didn't get it. But buy and sell areas held up pretty good. So, I mean, we're right where we are. So we've got a P. So let's make a 73, 75, sell one. And then let them get stops above that, 78, 80. On the buy side, we started out on the 63, 65 area, so 63, 65, that's where support is. And then our 59, 61 for buy two. No news out of the U.S. to drive the trading, so they'll be looking to London for guidance overnight. And for those of you that have the opportunity to trade London, do so. Crude, good markets. We really thank Rich's work. Really appreciate him sharing that with the room. It offers unusual opportunities because it can cross the trading range, the entire day's trading range, once during the session, and sometimes it'll do it 2 times. So it gives you a lot of opportunities to make money. And if you happen to have lost on the first couple of trades, you can make it back during the day session too. So there you have it. We're going to sell 45.75 to the buck, 46 and a quarter, 46.50. Going to buy 44.75, 45 even, then 44 and a quarter, 44.50. Okay, we had a great trade set up for us last night in the Euro. We said last night when we left yesterday's market, find a place to sell at London time, and produced a huge trade. I don't know if it'll do that tonight, but when I look at this, I see a B. So I'd like to, and we're at 50 right now, and the last rotate up stopped in that 75 area. So the 670 to 80, sell one. 7,710, sell 2. On the buy side, let's make it 106 even for buy 1, and then 575 for buy 2. And that does it for March the 19th, 2015. Hope you all had a great day today, and hopefully the trading will become a little less problematic in the E-mini. It's been a tough trading this week, but haven't made much, haven't lost much. The way it works out, unless you play the FOMC. I'll see you bright and early in the morning, 6:45 Central. In the meantime, y'all have a great evening.